Exceed English, grade 5, block number 11, both sides of an argument. Lesson plan for evidence flow charts. Students will be able to identify the different sources of evidence. Today we are going to find out the different places from which we can find evidence to support our arguments and fill in the evidence flow chart. Take out your English reader and turn to the chapter Are Video Games a Good Form of Entertainment? First question is, how did the author know that games help improve vision? She read the research written by different researchers. Fill in the first row of evidence flow chart. So the first question is, how did the author know that games help improve vision? Let's conclude. She read the research written by different researchers. Fill in the first row of the evidence flow chart. Second, where did the author find the research? She may have found the research on magazines, newspaper, books, or the internet. Fill in the second. How did the researchers find out all this information? The researchers may have spoken to parents and children and observed people who play video games. Fill it in the third row of the evidence flow chart. Now your homework will be draw and fill in an evidence flow chart in your notebook. Fill it with the answers to the question, how did the author know that video games are bad for us? Complete this flowchart evidence by yourself, okay? What did you fill in the evidence tree? In the evidence tree, we wrote that the author read the research and scientific studies. She may have found the research in magazine, newspaper, books, internet. The American Psychological Association and the researchers may have interviewed parents, children, and doctors and observed people who play video games. The people or places that we get evidence to support arguments from are called sources of evidence. What are other sources of evidence? We can conduct experiments and surveys to collect evidence. We can also use our personal experiences as a source of evidence. The second argument was more persuasive because it gave us lot of strong evidence about why video games are bad for us. When the sources of evidence is good and dependable, the reader will believe the evidence as well as the main argument. For example, if the source of evidence is what a few people have said, it is not very good and dependable. However, if the source of evidence is research done by researchers, it is a dependable source. To find information about a disease, we would first talk to the patient and doctor. We could read or research about the disease on the internet. Take out your volume 2 to page number 18. Read the essay, The Benefits of Homework. Every teacher loves giving students homework so that they can practice the skill that they have learned and get better at their studies. The Review of Educational Research 2006 says that in secondary school, students' homework leads to higher grades. The researcher Harris Cooper found that when students do homework regularly, they understand and remember information better. The researcher Nancy Paulo stated that homework benefits parents too, as it helps them learn about and get involved in their children's studies. Second, complete the evidence chart for the essay The Benefits of Homework. How did the author of this essay know the benefits of homework? The author read the research of Harris Cooper and Nancy Paulo. Where did the author find this information? The author may have found the information from newspapers, magazines, books, or internet. How did the researchers find out all this information? The researchers must have spoken to parents, teachers, students, and also seen the report cards of students who do homework and who do not do the homework. A link has been given with this video Down you can see the link and complete the exercises. Complete the exercises of your textbook. The link has been uploaded.